There's so many different scalp care routines, and it really is seasonal, I would say, at least for me. And it would depend on your scalp as well. In the summertime, you need to make sure you're using scalp products. Some of them that have SPF in them would be helpful, something that's not damaging to the hair, especially men who are bald. I highly recommend that. And also just covering the hair. I think that really helps. Those UV exposures also, people don't think about this. They also will damage your follicles and cause scarring to the scalp as well. Other things to do is scalp scrubs. If you have if you have dandruff and flaking, the scalp scrubs work. We are coming out with the scalp scrub at some point, so keep an eye out. You can also do a DIY scalp scrub. The DIY scalp scrub can easily be done at home. I tell people to use 2 tablespoons of the Sáfo Hair clarifying or detoxifying shampoo, however you want to call it. Also use a tablespoon of fine sea salt and maybe a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a few drops of our scalp serum and mix it together and just kind of massage it into the scalp. Let it sit for a little bit. And I love scalp massages too because they're very calming and it reduces anxiety. And I have some friends that actually just use the serum to do massages. And they're like, it's so calming. I like to use it before I go into a meeting. And I was like, this is great. But also, if you're looking to give the scalp that extra scrub, and this is oftentimes in the summertime when you're using a lot of products on the hair, you can do your own DIY scalp scrub until ours comes out and get ours. And you could do it at home yourself with our product. And then the benefits of this is of course, you're detoxifying your scalp. You're cleansing it very deeply with the shampoo and the apple cider vinegar. You're exfoliating, getting all of that dead skin off. And then the apple cider vinegar gives the scalp that balance it needs just to restore the scalp's natural pH. And then it also will soothe and nourish the scalp with our serum, which is very hydrating. And it'll leave the scalp feeling very refreshed and healthy.
Hair so soft, fresh and bright. Nature's touch, pure as light. Rosemary, aloe, sweet embrace. Healthy scalp, happy face. Morning breeze through my hair. Feels like magic everywhere. Natural glow, shine like gold. Sáfo Hair story told. Scalp love, natural way. Every single sunny day. Feel the breeze, let it flow. With Sáfo, watch beauty grow. Calm and cool, clean and clear. Nourished roots hold you dear. Aloe's kiss, green delight. Rosemary brings life to light. Scalp love, natural way. Every single sunny day. Feel the breeze, let it flow. With Sáfo, watch beauty grow. Whispers of nature in each strand. Sáfo Hair always on hand. Soothing, calm, gentle touch. With Sáfo, you